WordPress menus are very, very easy to modify. I'm going to come over here and open up a new tab here with the front of the site on it. And you're going to see here we have this right here is our WordPress menu. We have a slide out menu right here, and then we have our other menu selections right here. This is reflected in the dashboard underneath Appearance. You'll come out here to Menus right here. When you click on that, that will take you into the administrative interface so that you can alter WordPress menus. Down here, you will see that we have our home link, products, submenu items for products, and then our other menu items right here. And that is reflected just like what we have out here in the front. When I want to change any of these items, if I were to want to remove an item, for instance, if I were to want to get rid of the pairings page, all I would need to do is come over here, click on this little arrow you see next to page, and then this box will come down, which will allow me to do numerous different things with the menu itself. But what I'm interested in, if I want to remove the menu, is just to click on Remove, and that will remove that menu item. Then I click on Save Menu, and then that will save the menu configuration to the database. And when I come back over here and I refresh the page, you'll notice now, once it refreshes, that over here I no longer have pairings. But I did want pairings on there. So to go ahead and add pairings, I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side of the interface over here, and you'll see I have numerous different choices. The first one is Pages. Then I have Products, Locations, Map Styles, Links, Categories, Product Categories, Calendars, Organizers, and Venues. Now, a lot of what you're seeing here is actually for the event management system. We're interested in primarily the products and the pages right now. So I could actually create a menu page, a menu link for each separate product if I wanted to. I can create them for different product categories, which is what we've done over here. As you can see, listed right here is product category, and that means that these are actually from the product categories. But what I want to do is I want to add back in that page that I just got rid of, which was pairings. So when I first open up Pages, you'll see the first thing listed is the most recent pages. The most recent pages created. And as you can see, if I scroll down here, I see pairings right there. If I click on View All, it'll give me the list with the home page listed first, and then after that in alphabetical order right here. And you'll see I have pairings there too. And then I can also click on Search if I wanted to. And I could just type in a few words, and it's going to go search in the database. And here it finds pairings for me. So I'm going to come back over here to Most Recent, come down to Pairings. I'm just going to put a check mark in the box, and then click Add to Menu. And now if I come back down to the menu, you'll see right below Contact Us, so the very bottom here, I have pairings. But I don't want that actually after Contact Us. I want it in between Health Facts and Contact Us. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it, and I'm going to lift it up right here. And I'm going to make sure that it's on the same level that it's flush with this right here. That's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to drag and drop. Click Save Menu, and then once the menu has been saved to the database, you'll see the page refreshes. But I'm going to go ahead and come out here to the front of the site and refresh the page. And now we'll see that next to Contact Us, between Health Facts and Contact Us, that once again we have pairings. Now, if I actually wanted to make pairings, let's say, a sub-menu item of Health Facts, so I want a drop-down menu when I hover over Health Facts and I want pairings to come down, all I have to do is grab pairings and move it over. As you'll see, these sub-menu items are just moved over just a little bit, and that denotes now that this is now a sub-menu item of Health Facts. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. It's going to go ahead and save the configuration to the database. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page, and now you'll see that pairings is actually gone, but when I hover over Health Facts, I get a sub-menu that has pairings that comes down. But I actually do want that on the main top-level menu is what we call it. So to put that back, I'm just going to grab it and move it back over here. Save the configuration to the database once again. And now, when I come out to the front of the site and I refresh the site, now we're back where we started. And you'll see that in between Contact Us and Health Facts, pairings is back. There's no drop-down menu under Health Facts now. The only drop-down menu is underneath Products. So WordPress menus are pretty direct and to the point. If you have any further questions on them, just let us know.